rough night?
Yeah, you could say that.
Peyton, I'm sorry for what I said to you earlier. Everybody was laughing, and I don't know what came over me.
Don't worry about it.
I do worry about it. We just started to be friends, and I blow it.
It's okay, Anna. We all do stupid things. I've done my fair share.
Peyton, at Haley's summer party, you said you wanted to be able to talk about anything. Well, I went into your purse earlier to borrow your lipstick, and
It's okay, Anna. I already flushed it down the toilet. I've only done it that one time. I've been fighting it.
does this have anything to do with this?
Yeah, that and everything else.
I know what you mean. I made a fool of myself with Lucas tonight. Why do relationships have to be so hard?
Because the only thing harder is being alone.